Welcome to Marina's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some asparagus cuts and green peas fritters. So I've got here a can of asparagus cuts and tips, and I've got a can of baby peas. We just put it all together. They are lovely fritters, something different if you want. If you like asparagus, this is beautiful for you. Okay, and what I like to add to this is a little red onion grated. It just seems to give it a little bit extra flavour. So I'm going to put that grated red onion in there. It just gives it that little bit of extra flavour. Now we've got here a nice half a cup of beautiful grated. I've got some lovely Parmigiano cheese there, a half a cup there, and I've got 3 eggs. 3 eggs we're going to add to this. Just put it all together, lovely. 3 eggs, and they're lovely fritters. If you like asparagus, they're lovely fritters. And I'm going to add half a cup of self-raising flour to this, and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Just mix that all together. And we're going to have some salt. We're going to put a little bit of salt in there, not too much because those canned foods have got a lot of salt in them. And I'm going to add some pepper. Look, it's so quick to make. If you've got a can of asparagus inside and a can of peas, just make these beautiful fritters. They're lovely. And I've got here a quarter cup of olive oil. That's all we need, and it gives it a beautiful mixture. Look. Lovely mixture, just lovely and soft to put in and make some beautiful fritters. Make quite a few fritters here. Look, it's lovely, that peas and those asparagus. Beautiful. All you've got to do is mix it up like that. That's easy. The flour, the oil. Okay, now I'm going to put my frying pan on, and we're going to fry them up. Doesn't take long. It didn't take long putting them all together, does it? Just a can of cuts and tips, or you can have the asparagus, and a can of baby peas. And you've got half a cup of your lovely grated lovely strong cheese, and I've got a quarter cup of oil, half a cup of self-raising flour, and a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder. And look, they are beautiful. 3 eggs, so they are lovely. Just put a tablespoon, a nice spoonful. As soon as that gets hot, I will start frying them. Look, they are lovely, just something different. Instead of doing like just a plain peas, put a tin of asparagus in there and do them up. They give it that extra flavour. And I like to put that little red onion in there. It just seems to sort of set it off in a bit of flavour. We need a bit of extra flavour sometimes, so that is lovely. So I'm just going to put these in now. They're beautiful. Lovely fritters, lovely. Oh, you get quite a few out of them here. You can make them as big as you want to. You can make them as small as you want to. I've got 4 in there. Lovely. They're beautiful. They don't take long to cook. They're lovely cakes. Lovely. Something to go with your vegetable in the steak. And I'm just going to turn that over. Look, beautiful already. They are lovely and brown already. Lovely. They didn't take long to do that because everything's cooked. You don't have to take long to cook the peas and the thing and the asparagus. Look, they're beautiful. Keep on doing the same thing with all of them, and you've got these beautiful asparagus and peas fritters. I'm going to switch that off now because I've done mine. And keep on doing them with the same thing all the time. Just keep on doing them. You get quite a few out of them. There's 4 there, and you might get a good dozen out of them or more. So I'll just switch that off now. And look, they are beautiful. Look, they didn't take long to brown up. You've got that beautiful cheese through it. You've got that onion through it. And they are lovely. Look, that was quick, wasn't it? Just put that all together and you got that lovely mixture of that asparagus and peas. And look, you've got these beautiful fritters with lovely fritters, nice and tasty, lovely and moist. You've got your salt and your pepper. Look, it's cooked right through. They are beautiful. Look, honestly, if you want to try these asparagus and peas fritters, they're beautiful. You got that flour through it, the oil through it, that lovely cheese through it, and that little red onion grated seems to just set it off. And then just fry them up. You can have them cold or hot. Look, they're beautiful. I'm going to have another bit. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that asparagus, you can taste that asparagus in there, which is really lovely. I haven't made these for a while, but give them a go. They're beautiful. Something different if you've got to have a tin of asparagus inside and a tin of peas, maybe peas. Just put it all together so quick, that flour, the oil, the eggs, and look, just fry them up and you've got a lovely lot of lovely asparagus fritters, okay? So give them a go. There's something different. Anyhow, thank you for watching and you have a lovely day. Goodbye.